Hey guys, what's up? This is Pete here, the Fat Yankee. So listen, now we're gonna slice this in my Lems commercial slicer here, guys. So again, just remember when you're slicing this meat, you're also gonna do that against the grain as well, okay? So you're gonna see me, I kind of do this kind of fast because I'm used to the looking at the pieces real quick and stuffing them in here. But this Lems slicer here is quite the workhorse, and you know, we run anywhere from 200 to 400 pounds of beef through this thing every week, guys. So this thing really works well. You just want to be sure to oil these spots here. Actually, you know, every time use, we put a little cooking oil in there and some of the gears inside. But this is also a tenderizer, guys, as well. So this will actually tenderize the meat at the same time as well as slicing. Now you'll see what we get here is we got nice thick pieces of beef here. So because of the muscle, you will have to pull these apart a little bit, just like that. It doesn't slice it completely through, but it does slice it 95% of the way. So that's how this works. This is how we slice the beef here, guys, at Fat Yankee. And we're gonna be marinating this pretty soon after we pull it apart. Okay, guys? So hey, thanks for watching, guys. This is the Fat Yankee. We'll see you in the next video.